I'm going to hand it over to Vinny now to sum up all the action that we've seen today.
Absolutely an interesting day that we saw coming in for the Nifty 50 as well as the Nifty Bank today, because all-time high levels, whether you look at the Nifty, Sensex or the Nifty Bank, we saw them seeing a buzzing in trade. Now, when you look at it, Nifty Bank, that 53,000 mark was there. Yes, off the day's highest point as of now, the Nifty Bank, but surely keeping on and continuing to gain that momentum that we'd seen in the last couple of days. Nifty managing to hold on to those near those all-time high levels. 23,889.90 was the new high for it today. Right now, just slight bit off that, but Nifty, Sensex both managing to hold on to gains of almost 0.7% in trade. Other than that, the mid cap and the small cap, that's the trend we've seen in the last couple of trading sessions, right? Broader market not managing to see that much of a gain as much as we saw in the Nifty, especially the mid cap space. Even yesterday, even today, will be closing on the red, while in terms of the small cap, just managing to hold on to slight bit of a gain of 0.2% in trade. Advance decline ratio today is in the favor of declines as of now versus advances, but yes, we're keeping an eye out on that. Let's pull up some of the heavyweights, what we saw coming in and buzzing today from the telecom side. We had Reliance that was managing to hold on to very, very strong gains. Reliance, I believe it was one of the best moves that Reliance saw in terms of an intraday move since the 3rd of June 2024. So keeping an eye on that, Reliance will be closing with gains of almost 4%. Even Bharti Airtel, we have seen that also buzzing in trade. So yes, possibility that, the buzz coming around that there is a possibility of hikes that one could be seeing, tariff hikes, that is the possibility there. So yes, the spectrum auction is over now. Yes, that's the buzz there, and keeping an eye on that, Vodafone Idea, Bharti Airtel as well as Reliance managing to hold on to strong gains. Other than that, in terms of the contribution that came in from Reliance today was the most 100 points around contribution for the Nifty 50. So clearly supporting the Nifty 50 today was Reliance. We also had ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, all of them also managing to support, with Bharti Airtel managing to support in terms of the move that came in for the Nifty 50. Other than that, let's pull up the cement names that we have. UltraTech Cement, whether you have Ambuja, ICICI, Ramco Cements, all of them managing to hold on to gains today. Cement was surely the flavor, whether India Cements. So this was the flavor of the day in terms of the sector that we saw in terms of an up move. What's not managing to hold on to gains today was the Realty Pack. Realty Pack is clearly under pressure today. And we're seeing that the realty names, whether you look at it in terms of Prestige, Loda developers, that's Macrotech developers, DLF, Suntech Realty, Brigade Enterprises, Phoenix, all of them are Phoenix Limited, all of them are seeing a bit of a subdued performance. While we also had Z Entertainment today managing to hold on to gains. We had PVR Inox managing to hold on to gains of almost 1% as well. So yes, at least some bit of an excitement that came in from the media side today in terms of an up move, and among the top sectoral gainer was the Nifty Media. Other than that, we have the Nifty Energy space that is managing to hold on to gains, and in that, when you look at it, we also had NTPC, BPCL, ONGC, Tata Power, which managed to hold on to gains and support a bit of an up move in terms of the market. FMCG, not much of an excitement coming in on that front. Slight bit of an up move, mainly led by, when you look at it in terms of the Dabur, that has seen a good up move. And other than that, we had seen Godrej Consumers managing to hold on to some bit of a gain there. So yes, we're seeing a market setup coming in mainly where realty is not doing well, which had already seen a run up in a long time. But Nifty Realty, not much of an excitement there. Media managing to hold on to gains, led by overall that we saw is in terms of a move that came in from Z that was managing to hold on. The small cap side, when you look at it, we had CESC that was managing to hold on to gains, Titagar, Raymond, all of them buzzing in trade, as well as Affle and Amber Enterprises managing to hold on to strong gains on the small cap side. So yes, that's how we'll be closing the market. Nifty continues to outperform today, led mainly by overall, when you look at it, Reliance, Bharti Airtel supporting strong growth, as well as the banking side continues to support the markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.